Hi, Isaac at County Battery here, and this is my 2 second saving for today. It's nothing to really show you because it's confidential stuff, but what I have done, we have currently people on salary and some people on hourly rates. And with the hourly rates, it's proper pain. You have to work out what hours they've done and what time they've had off, and if they've done any bits extra, that kind of thing's a right pain. Whereas salary, same amount each month, and you just take away what time they've had off and add on any overtime. It's so much quicker because we've got a calendar to put all that stuff in if you do overtime and time off, and one for sick days. So all I have to do is look at that calendar and add that and take that away from their figure every month, as opposed to working it all out. Takes so much time, is just saved by doing that. I didn't realise how big a saving it actually is until I've just done it. But yeah, that's just a little saving. I can't really show it here, but yeah, thanks for watching and see you later.